Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an efficient and affordable solar panel for your RV, home, boat, or off-grid setup, today's product is definitely worth checking out. Meet the AeternaSol 400W, 200W high-efficiency N-Type Bifacial Solar Panel, designed to deliver reliable, renewable energy wherever you need it. Right now, it's available for just $73.72, down from $182.31, giving you an impressive 59% discount. One of the standout features of this solar panel is its advanced 18BB N-Type monocrystalline cell technology, offering up to 25% cell efficiency. That means better energy conversion and improved performance, even in challenging weather conditions. The panel is also designed to be lighter and more compact, making it an excellent choice for RVs, Class B vans, campers, boats, caravans, and portable off-grid systems where installation space is limited. Another advantage is its compatibility with both 12-volt and 24-volt battery systems, giving you more flexibility when designing your solar setup. The efficient design also helps reduce power loss and maximize energy production throughout the day. For users in warmer regions, the panel features a low-temperature coefficient, allowing it to maintain strong performance even in hot climates where many traditional panels lose efficiency. The manufacturer also highlights low long-term degradation, helping the panel maintain reliable performance for years, making it a solid investment for long-term renewable energy projects. Whether you're powering a cabin, RV, marine application, camping equipment, or building a home solar system, the AeternaSol N-Type solar panel offers an excellent combination of efficiency, portability, and value. If you're interested, click the link in the description below to buy and check the latest price. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews, solar products, renewable energy solutions, and the latest gadgets.